Safe and natural ear seeds. Natural 2 mm Vaccaria 600 counts of seeds. Wang Bu Lu Xing Z. On tan, long-lasting self-adhesive tapes, skin-colored. Bonus ebook. The Beginner's Guide to Auricular Therapy, a straightforward self-reference guide the way to place ear seeds for 19 common conditions including weight loss, pain relief, migraine and menstrual cramps. It's an excellent start line for beginners on auricular therapy using ear seeds. You'll start applying ear seeds immediately. Ebook is emailed to you upon purchase. Handy ear probe and tweezers. The probe is beneficial in locating and treating ear and body points. Small ball tip provides comfortable sensation and stimulation. The package now includes a pair of tweezers for selecting up the patches. Bonus ear chart. It has large multi-language ear chart. It depicts various acupressure points and indicating their corresponding body parts. Important. Please contact us on to get the ebook. If you've got opted out of receiving sellers' messages,